In today's video, I will teach you how to create text that looks like fire using GIMP. Let's get started. Start by opening GIMP and creating a new file, and you can choose any size, for example 420 by 200 pixels with a black background. Now, use the text tool and choose a bold font, white color, and set the text size to 50. Then write your desired text on a new layer. Now, right-click on the text layer in the Layers panel and select Merge Down to merge the text layer into the background layer. Now we're going to create flames using the Smudge tool. Select the Smudge tool from the toolbox, then set the following values for the Smudge tool. Now zoom in to 200% to work on the details of the text. Then start on the first letter of your text. Click and smear around the border of the letter to create a smudged grayish effect similar to flames. And aim to create a natural chaotic pattern mimicking the looks of real flames. Then change the bright white areas of the text into various shades of gray. Then apply the smudging technique to remaining letters of your text. Then make flame-like movements extending from the letters towards the top of the image. Now we're going to adjust colors for fiery effect. You can do this by going to Colors, then Color Balance. Then set the sliders to 100, 30, and -30. This adjustment enhances the red and yellow tones in the darker areas of the image, resembling fire. Now, for the midtones, set the sliders to 100, 30, and -30. This adjustment affects the mid-range tones of the image, adding warmth and vibrancy. And for the highlights, set the sliders to 100, 0, and -100. This adjustment modifies the lightest areas of the image, making them cooler and contrasting with the warm tones in the shadows and midtones. Now, review the overall effect and make any additional adjustments to the colors or smudging as needed. Then consider adding subtle variations in opacity or blending modes to enhance the fiery appearance. And once you're satisfied with the result, save your image in your preferred format. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.